One of the most interesting words in the English language today is the word fuck. It is a magical word. Just by its sound it can describe pain, pleasure, hate, and love. In language it falls into many grammatical categories. It can be used as a verb, both transitive, John fucked Mary, and intransitive, Mary was fucked by John. And as a noun, Mary is a fine fuck. It can be used as an adjective. Mary is fucking beautiful. As you can see, there are not many words with the versatility of fuck. Beside the sexual meaning, there are also the following uses: ignorance, fucked if I know, trouble, I guess I am fucked now, fraud, got fucked at the used cat lot, aggression, fuck you, displeasure, what the fuck is going on here, difficulty, I don't understand this fucking job, incompetence, he is a fuck off, suspicion, what the fuck are you doing, enjoyment, I had a fucking good time, request, get the fuck out of here, hostility, I'm going to kick your fucking ass, greeting, how the fuck are you, apathy, who give a fuck, innovation, get a bigger fucking stick, surprise, fuck you, scared the shit out of me, anxiety, today is really fucked up, and it is very healthy to fuck every night.